Then, as mentioned earlier, that they've recently come up with a tool called 5Paisa Auto Investor that basically assists you through a robo advisory recommendations engine or what kind of funds you should be putting your money into. This is kind of a high use of technology. Now, you just need to get started with your new goal. Once you tap on that, they're going to tell you that how this process is going to be taken care. Click on Got It. Now, they are asking you a few things here. What's your goal of investment? Are you looking to buy a car, a home? Are you looking for your children's education, your children's marriage, your own retirement, few vacations, or something else? Let's say I'm gonna do it for my home. Now they're asking me, name your goal for your home. I'm gonna put it, let's say, a villa, just for the sake of the video, of course. Your target amount, let's say around 75 lakhs. Obviously I'm not gonna get a villa within 75 lakh, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna put it to 75 lakh. I hope I've put in right the number of zeros here. One less. So yeah, so this makes it 75 lakh. My investment tenure is 15 years most likely. I click on next. They tell me again that you're conservative. Again, I'm gonna click on next. They tell me you are on track. Your investment is on track and is projected to meet your target amount in 14 years and 10 months. They tell me I need to put a lump sum amount of 1.2 lakh at the start and a monthly income of 21,000. So this is the savings I need to put in to keep aligned with my goal of a villa, which is 75 lakh and within 15 years. Obviously, I can play around with the amount, with the monthly savings. If I say that I can put more, I can put 30,000 here, and I'm gonna do it in 12 years. Can I do it? Well, they refresh the whole thing. They say you are off track. To get on track, oh well, there is something missing here, but still, most likely you can play around with this. This is one sort of a bug we found out while we are testing this. You say we are already on track, but really the tool does not say that. Anyway, they've sort of came up with 3 funds. They tell me about the portfolio and the kind of projections I can expect within those 12 years. So this is something in line to what we have seen in Angel Broking Arc. Then we have seen this in 5Paisa Zeroda coin. Then we've also seen this with Sher Khan Insta MF. So there are multiple tools, one from IFL markets as well. There are multiple tools in the market that can assist you with these kinds of projections, and they come up with their own recommendations more or less. So this is investment advisor. I can similarly do play around with saving tax, then liquid funds. It really comes down to the point of my investment goals, new fund offer, fund screener. So there are multiple sort of features that are available. So that's all about mutual funds. Then there is insurance. Now insurance, I can do health insurance, term insurance, advisor. So you can see that the kind of exhaustiveness this particular mobile app has in terms of the number of features, and we have not really started the buying and selling part yet. We are looking at the kind of features in terms of analysis parts as of now. So this is pretty huge from that context. Now they ask me again few details. You can play around with your own and get the insurance sort of advice from this mobile application. So these are different features we wanted to talk about in this basic demonstration of the mobile app from 5Paisa. We feel the application is pretty good from number of features perspective. There's no question that the design, they have put all kind of features with decent user experience and usability intact. At the same time, one area we kind of struggled was the charting feature. Now charting feature, when we were giving you the demo at that time, there was not much of a problem, but if you look at the internet connection, we have intentionally put the kilobyte per second at the top part of the screen to make sure that you understand what kind of data is being consumed by this application's features. Now once we were looking at the charts, there was a lag of few seconds, 2-3 seconds to load the chart first, but once it was loaded, after that there was not of a problem. Even if we just played around with the kind of features, with the kind of analysis we wanted to do, after loading, not much of a problem. But the initial loading, first time loading, took some time. So that's one sort of a gray area that we wanted to talk about this mobile application. Again, user experience is good, speed is good overall, and I'm happy to see that they have given me different options. I don't really need to open a different mutual fund account or an insurance. I can do everything here by paying few money as brokerage or fees to this broking house here.